Okay, here's solutions for questions 14 and 15. In this question, you had to solve inequality. We work with inequalities in the same manner as we work with equations, except one instance, when you have to divide by a negative sign. Then the sign of inequality turns other way around. Let's try to work it out. We have inequality with x's on each side, so obviously we need to remove x from one of the sides. So we're removing from the side where there is less x's, removing x's from each side. So we're getting 3x here plus 1 more than minus 5, right? Now we need to solve inequality, we need to isolate x on its own. So we do the same thing as we would do with equations. Remove 1 from each side, 1. So we are left with 3x on the left side. Minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Be careful here. If you start from minus 5 and you subtract 1, it means you're moving 1 unit to the left. Right, so your number is getting smaller, so it's minus 6. Now you know what 3x more than 6. So what is the 1x? Obviously you divide by 3 and you're getting that x more than minus 2. So that is the answer. Okay, question 15. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. Find the exact length of the side marked Y. Could you please react to this word immediately, the exact length? That means most likely that there will be thirds, and you don't need really to find them as a decimal point, etc. You need to leave them as they are. Alright? Okay, let's look on the diagram. We have right angle triangle here, we have angle 60 degrees, and we have two labeled sides, one with Y, one is with 4. If you have sides and an angle, and a right angle here, so then we can use trigonometry, because trigonometry connects angle with two sides, right? So, okay, let's look at this angle, 60 degrees. And label each side opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, okay? I don't need to label every side, I just labeling the sides that were given to me, okay? I don't really care about this side because I have no measurements for this side. I will not be able to use it anyway, so we will not be doing this, okay? Alright, so this side is adjacent because this side is a part of the angle, right? So it is adjacent next to this angle, adjacent. This side is the longest side in the triangle. The side is opposite to the right angle, so therefore it is hypotenuse. The ratio that works with adjacent and hypotenuse side is called, I made mistake here. I said sine when I should use cos. Sorry for that. Cos of 60 degrees. So cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent y over 4. Right? So therefore we are getting rid of the denominator and we multiply by the denominator 4. So we multiply by the denominator 4, we are getting 4 cos 60 degrees. Okay, and then for as you see, we don't have calculator and we need to remember how to find the angle cos 60 degrees. And if you forgot, then that's not a problem. What you need to remember that 60 degrees is the angle in the equilateral triangle, and so you can sketch equilateral triangle with sides 2, 2, 2, and then draw perpendicular height that will split the base into two equal sides, 1 and 1. Okay, and then this so that will give us a right angle triangle in which one angle will be 60 degrees, another angle will be 30 degrees, right? And we will be working with this right angle triangle. We know the hypotenuse is 2. We know one side is 1. So we'll find the height. How? Using Pythagoras. Using Pythagoras, it will be 2 squared minus 1 squared square rooted. 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, so we have square root of 3. So now, to find cos of 60 degrees, alright, we need to have adjacent side 1 and hypotenuse 2. So cos of 60 degrees then, cos of 60 degrees is going to be 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So in case if you forgot in the exam what is cos 60 degrees, please do this equilateral triangle immediately, okay? And repeat this process, and you'll be able to figure out, you know, like more you do it, quicker you do it, quicker you will be able to get this angle. Please don't give up, okay? Always try to work it out, okay? Let's cross it out. Sorry for that mess. 4 times cos 60 degrees is half, so 4 times half is 2, obviously, and they didn't specify centimeters or meters, alright? So we can either write units, or we just simply can write nothing, okay? So the right answer will be 2. Sorry for the mistake. I hope you will not make such mistake as I did. Alright, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.